Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable play sound for keypad tabs in the phone app on the Samsung Galaxy A13. On the home screen, open up the phone app. Next, tap on the option button at the top. From the pop-up menu, choose Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on Alexa and Ringtone. Next, you want to go down and tap on Play Sound for keypad tabs. So tap on the toggle button to switch it off. Turn it on now. Once it is on, you can see if I go back to my keypad right here. And when I tap on it, it will make that a tall noise. So if I switch it off, and this is what happened when I turn it off. You can see that if I tap on the keypad now, it will not make any noise. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.